Weinstein Company repeatedly broke New York law by failing to protect its employees from pervasive sexual harassment, intimidation and discrimination. New York State Attorney General Eric Schneiderman has filed a lawsuit against the Weinstein Company, alleging that the production company violated a wide array of civil rights, human rights and business laws. The motion was filed against Bob and Harvey Weinstein on Sunday and comes after the latter was faced with widespread allegations of sexual misconduct in recent months. The lawsuit alleges that the Weinstein Company was responsible for a years-long gender-based hostile work environment, a pattern of quid pro quo sexual harassment, and routine misuse of corporate resources for unlawful ends that extended from in or about 2005 through at least in or about October 2017. It also portrays Bob Weinstein in a damning light, claiming that he and the board of the Weinstein Company were complicit in their knowledge of his brother's alleged offenses. Specifically, Harvey Weinstein is accused of having a group of female employees, known as wing women, who had the job of accompanying Weinstein to major events where they were expected to comply with his sexual advances. Harvey Weinstein has been accused of sexual assault by a slew of women. A second group, meanwhile, were required to make space on his calendar for his sexual activity, and a third was required to meet with his prospective victims. As alleged in our complaint, the Weinstein Company repeatedly broke New York law by failing to protect its employees from pervasive sexual harassment, intimidation and discrimination, Schneiderman confirmed in a statement. Any sale of the Weinstein Company must ensure that victims will be compensated, employees will be protected going forward, and that neither perpetrators nor enablers will be unjustly enriched. Every New Yorker has a right to a workplace free of sexual harassment, intimidation and fear. The suit is calling for civil penalties of $500 to $250,000 to be paid for each law violation, along with sufficient damages for his victims. Weinstein is yet to directly